Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make puree di potato, which is in Italian, potato puree in English. Okay, so this is my go-to potato puree, and it's so delicious. Okay, so first I'm going to start up by peeling the potatoes. I added water already over the heat, like to start heating up, because I love to cook my potatoes in a boiled water, but you can cook yours with a cold water, depends on how you love cooking your potatoes. Okay, so I'm going to peel that off, then we'll bring you back. So after peeling the potatoes, as you can see, I'm adding this salt into the water, and I'm going to go ahead now to add all the potatoes inside the hot water. Put the lid on and allow that to cook until the potato is cooked. So here we are, the potato is cooked. I have milk there, cheese and butter, and I also have basil leaf. You can use spring onion if that is what you want. I just love the freshness of the basil leaf. So there I have two potatoes masher, this one and the other one. Use any one you have, okay? And if you don't have any, use fork, but make sure you mash them very well. So I'm going to go ahead now to press the potatoes out, or mash the potatoes until they are complete. Then we'll move to the next step. So here I'm done mashing the potatoes. Okay, I'm going to add the butter, the cheese and the milk, the basil leaf. If you are using spring onion, just add all the ingredients inside at this moment. Okay, go ahead and stir everything, and make sure that your potato is very hot. If it's not hot, go ahead and melt the butter and heat up the milk a little bit. Well, I'm using them fresh because the potato is really hot, so the heat from the potato is going to melt the butter and cheese. So I'm going to continue to stir them around until all the ingredients are well combined. Another thing is that if it's not very fluffy, your potato puree, go ahead and add extra milk inside. Okay, just add to your taste. The more you add, the better it is, and make sure you add butter. Okay, so guys, this is all. This potato puree is very delicious, and it's very simple to make. If you're the type that don't want cheese, go ahead and skip the cheese and use only butter and milk. You are going to love it as well. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and let me know what you think on or how you prepare your own puree di potato. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you.